We've cut down as much as these tree branches as we can that was hanging over. You can see they've all been chopped to pieces and placed here. Then we started to take away all the aluminum. We cleaned out all the areas. Alright, now up in this area here, what happened was they mucked in the corner posts. You see everything here is still good. It starts right where the corner post was. You can see right there. So it washed away this area here. We're going to cut this all back. And we're going to be contouring it for a gutter system up here. And this rot here will all be gone. Then everything we build out after that will be new 2x10s and 12s. Alright, you can see we've cut all that rod out. We got beams coming now, 2 2x8s, 2 2x10s. We're going to use some 2x4s to sister up some beams, just to make sure those are fresh. Okay, now up there they had some plastic in between the window, showing a gap. We're putting a piece of metal in there. It's been siliconed along the bottom for tight seal. You can see here where this insulation is. So now we're going to close off this gap before we even put any wood over anything. Like so. There you go. So now this won't allow any draft or any water to sneak in above the header of the window before we even start building any more wood. Alright, I ran a double beam all the way across. I filled in what was missing here with the fur strip. I've also ran the 2x across the face here, which is also doubled up. You can see. We're then trimming this to be exact. You can see now, like so, how everything is going. And then this here also same thing. Okay, you can see we've also put a brick in here. We've mortar repaired and filled in any cement along here that we've seen missing. You can see like so that we don't have any cracks. Okay, you can see we started insulating down so that we can make sure everything along the base here is all sealed in. You can see we've taken off any rot, sealed all this up. You can see the insulation ran. We ran our flash. See, get the corner on. I've leveled out a flash cap across there, and my soffit cap will slide right on there. So the bay's all cleaned and sealed in. Alright, same thing coming across here. I've showed earlier with the beams and the close off. Everything's secure. My caps will slide right under those. So that this area, you can see I've also put a 2 foot by 2 foot piece of metal in there to keep this corner all secure and tied in, so there's no more area problem area right there. Okay, the next thing we've done here is flashed out. We're continuing our soffit. I just want to show that everything along here has been sealed in. And once that is all sealed in, we run a flash over top of it. Okay, you can see how these panels here have ran. The soffit. Getting the window cap together now. We're going to continue. We'll cap that all off. Close off cap. Window caps are going on, are in place, being jayed out. Okay, coming along with the window cap now, you can see how there's some new wood for the sill across. You can see the cap there. Okay, you can see how that side there has come along. Okay, same thing over here. You can see how everything's moving along. Alright, the Cornish crown with drip cap has been placed on. You can see the close offs in place. We've started to come around this way. We're working our way around there. Now when this door gets done, They can slide right under my J-channel work. We're just maneuvering our way around now. Alright, continuing along here, you can see how the soffit and the cornice was ran. I'm pretty sure I shared this all across here. You see across there.
Did you get a coat of white on there?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, now same thing, everything's been closed off all across the top. Okay, also just to point out, everything has all been muck and fabric in. You can see the contour of the roof leads right into the gutter. I'll show again this top area all complete. We've closed off the bottom half of the box. You can see we've also placed the screen. Keep leaves in and out of that.
Get the bay ripped, foamed, start to work on this beam replacement. A lot of tree branches were cut down, a lot. This beam was totally deteriorated from an internal drop tube that was going through. And we're getting ready to set a new beam on there. Actually, a triple header we'll put in there. Pause. Alright, we're back the next day. We're primarily focusing on the high work, taking care of that top bay, being flashed in foam. Our beam replacement has been done over here already. Pause.
Yeah. This part's okay. Throw it off like a hand. It's junk anyway. There you are. Yeah, you ready for your nasty pencil?
Yeah, I'm back in the evening. We got the top bay just about complete. Some new fascia board around it. And then start working on the cornice below. We're just finishing up the outside top. We do have to come back. We need more material to cap these basement windows. To take this door, add wood, rehang it, close in the transom, and hang the light fixture. And that's going to probably be Thursday. A little cement is supposed to be put right along this step right here. And we'll finish that off and we're good to go. Okay, we cap those windows, finish that off, and we'll be good to go. Thanks. I am back. We finished up today, and job turned out outstanding. Just finishing up. Just want to, we recapped all the windows, even the basement windows in blue up top. That's the new K-gutter for water evacuation. The cornice. And we sealed that crack. Okay, just shooting the last of my footage here. Trying to show the up top bay, the cornice. You see all the detail work with the zip screws all blended. And the capping work. The beautiful blue.